Making frosting is way easier when your butter and your cream cheese is at room temperature before starting. Okay, so let's start by sifting our sugar, or icing sugar that is. Make sure to sift because if you don't, you might have some pockets of sugar in your frosting, and who wants to eat that? Okay, alright, so after sifting, it's time to cream our cream cheese and our butter together. Now it's important that we cream it because it can be difficult if you just go ahead and throw in all the icing sugar before you have creamed it. Man, we want to make sure it's easy, not hard to do. You can go ahead and scrape down the bowl because we want to ensure that everything is incorporated. Alright? So once our butter and our cream cheese has been creamed, we add our icing sugar a little bit at a time. And then before turning on our hand mixer, we just take it and move it around to incorporate the icing sugar a little bit before turning it on. Because we do not want a snowstorm, we do not want icing sugar on our face, we want it in the bowl. I gradually add in more icing sugar until all the icing sugar has been added. So I've added in all my icing sugar now, and I'm going to scrape down my bowls to get all the icing sugar into my mixture. I want everything in. Like, this is so easy to make and it's delicious. To make it delicious, I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and also 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now this what gives it this tangy flavor, and I love adding lemon juice to cream cheese because I believe it just brings out that tanginess. So we only have one last step, and that is to add in some salt. I add in a little salt because I find that it brings out the tanginess. You know what I mean? And I just mix it around, and that is how you get your nice and creamy and tangy cream cheese frosting. You can add this to your carrot cake, your whatever cake, anything you like. Thanks for watching.